Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's gel box, and it's this beautiful blue box this time with these lemons on. Stunning. So let's open it up and have a look at what's inside. Let's try and find a spot to move it where it's not going to block the light for you guys. So first we have our card, super pretty, and it's called Summer in Greece, this box, and it tells you what you get inside. So we're not going to look at that, we're just going to go straight in. I see two lots of stickers. We have Hello Greece, and we have a very pretty nail art sticker. I will not be trying to recreate this nail design because yeah I'm probably not going to have steady enough hands to do something like that, to be honest with you guys. Then the next thing I see is this pretty blue ring. Now I don't know about you guys, but I am a bigger girl, I suppose some would call BBW, so I have chunky sausage fingers. There we go. Fits on there with a bit of a squeeze. You can get it on, but you can kind of see my fat bulging. Let's try and make it. Oh, there we go. So it does expand out, which is cool to make it bigger. We'll just, make it bigger for my fat fingers. There we go. That's the ring. Now I see some stickers, some cute little gold leaves, and I see a nail file. These are, I personally think, it's not sponsored or nothing, but I buy these boxes out of my own money. But I absolutely love their files. I think they're the best files I've ever used. Then we have a cuticle oil. You get one of these in every month. It's got a little cupid there on. Then the next thing I see is this super pretty mermaid inspired detail brush. Absolutely tiny brush on that. So you can get some really nice little details, and yeah, this is a very pretty brush. I do like it very much. Now I see our 4 colours. Just to double check I don't see anything else. Oh, I do. We got a little sponge applicator, and we have some gold powder. And that is definitely everything I see in the box. So our 4 colours we have got, I'm probably going to say this wrong, but Pamphilos, this pretty like baby blue colour. Then we have Byblos, I don't know, looks like a nice neutral colour. Then we have an Adonis, this amazing blue that is just absolutely, same colour as the ring, absolutely stunning. And then we have Elos, which is a really pretty yellow. So let's open them up so you can see what they look like. So yeah, a really pretty baby blue. And this is the neutral toned. Oh, it's a bit darker than I thought it would be, but still very nice. Then we have this amazing blue. I love this colour blue. Just look at that. That is absolutely stunning. And then we have this yellow. lovely. I'm really liking these colours, so I am just going to go off camera and swatch these, and I will be back, guys. So I am back, guys. These are the 4 colours we got in this month's Gel Box UK. I have swatched them for you guys. So we start off with this one, which is a baby blue, which is very, very nice. It's almost white. Then we have this one, this nude colour, which if you did a thin enough coat, you could probably get away with it being a jelly colour, because this is 2 coats. But if you did 1 coat, you could definitely use that as like a jelly. Very nice. Then we have this stunning blue. Just, oh, beautiful. I absolutely love it. And then we have this yellow, again, which is really, really nice. I absolutely love these colours in this month's box. They are just so fun and colourful and remind me of summer. And yeah, I can't wait to come up with a cute design using these colours, so look out for that video. Don't forget to subscribe, because it really, really does help out this channel, and your support means the world to me. And I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye!